Welcome back to Legoland Windsor. Now, last time I was here, I missed this by a day. We did say it was on the map, which seemed really weird, but it was due to open again next year in February. However, it is under previews for the remainder of the winter event. So let's head inside and see if anything's changed with Deep Sea Adventure. Now, Kurt did get to go on this the other day, and he did say it smelled a bit like paint.
Recruits!
I'm not seeing an awful lot changed in here, to be honest with you.
Explorers! It's nearly time for your adventure! Welcome to Deep Sea Adventure.
Definitely still needs some work in the queue line, but I'm really interested to see because they have apparently got some new models. This definitely had a clean. This looks a lot better. Ooh. Inside Deep Sea Adventure. So nothing's really changed. This map ride system has been tried and tested, if you will, and it's undergone a couple of rethemes now. And they promised some new models, but other than that, quite honestly, not expecting too much to have changed. Now, it has been shut for just over a year, but I think it generally eats quite a lot of people, this, so really looking forward to having it back open in 2025.
Captain here at Deep Sea Adventure HQ. I will be your guide on today's mission. Take a seat with your fellow recruits and let's see what we discover.
I think it's fair to say absolutely nothing's changed in here.
Incredible fish.
But as we come through, let's see what's
out here in the deep. We're going to have a whale of a time. Over and out. Hold on to your bricks, recruits. We're ready to
Right, so stop-start while they check the subs because it is the beginning of the day. You know, just a quick observation here, things like this. I mean, this hasn't been changed. You might be able to see as well, you've got two-tone paint, which will show on the way out. So I can't tell whether things have been touched up or what really, or whether or not. I can't see the ride would have needed a mass refurbishment. It hadn't been open that long. But we do know it has some new models. So these are definitely fresh models. I'll try to sit on the end of the boat so you can kind of see a bit of both sides.
Stick right off.
Descending deeper now. And welcome to the deep sea. Some more of our dive team are out here looking for Atlantis, lost treasures in the ocean, and spotting super cool sea creatures. The water is full of life and Atlantean treasures. Keep an eye open for lurking sharks. Some like to lie around on the sea. Oh, I do love sharks. Sharks have been on here longer than dinosaurs.
Alright, not a lot of models.
Don't forget about the cow-nosed stingrays. They're pretty cool too. They swim in groups and use their wings to kick up the sand and find hidden food.
Brace yourselves, explorers. We're approaching Atlantis. Yes! Yes!
I mean, you can definitely tell these are new models in here. Some crabs with some cups. Quite a few divers around as well. So I'm guessing this is where they're integrating new fish into Deep Sea Adventure. Whether or not they've drained this throughout the year would be interesting to know.
Whoa! That was amazing!
Did you spot our divers out there working hard on protecting all the sea life in the deep sea? Awesome job, team!
Congratulations, explorers! Our mission to discover Atlantis and the treasures of the deep sea has been a success. It's time to head back up.
fun sharing the amazing secrets of the ocean with you.
Now, let me check my remote system to see how many amazing creatures you spot. Whoa! Make sure to stop by our care facility and learn about the creatures up close without dive deep.
So there's definitely a lot of new models. In fact, I would say that all the models in here are
Now
new.
back at the surface, team. Time to collect your belongings. Disembark.
And that's it.
Join us for another adventure-filled mission soon, explorers. Captain, over and
Right, so as we get out here, you'll see, you couldn't see before, the two-tone paint. It's a bit, I don't know. Right, let's get off and have a look at the exit part now. So just outside you've got the live food lab, which is here, right next to a sea life photo opportunity. So it's actually very sea life orientated. You've got sea life donation, should you wish to the Sea Life Trust. But not a lot seems to have changed in here. You can still go underneath, and then you've still got touch points over there as well. And there we have it. Deep Sea Adventure is back open at Legoland. By the time Legoland reopens, it will be back open. I would probably say the queue line hasn't really received a lot. Kurt said he can smell a lot of fresh paint. I can see loads and loads of bits that are missing. Still chips in the wall and everything. So I can't say I'm that super impressed with the queue line by any means. Inside the actual submarines, I would say they've been painted, but they've not been painted right to the base, so it looks really weird with a two-tone blue. You know, the paneling hasn't been replaced or anything. I think you've got to remember that this ride's been closed for a year. It's a whole season. Given a couple of days at the end here, it's been closed for the season. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see. It is only in preview. It's an exclusive preview, so it'd be interesting to see what it does. The models in there do look fantastic. They really, really do look good, and they're clearly all new models in there, and they are still integrating some new fish inside as well. But it will be back open for 2025, but we wanted to check it out beforehand so we can actually see what changes are done over the rest of the closed season.